Why A? I still can't replace professional judgment. Artificial intelligence is changing professional work far faster than many people expected. In consultancy, compliance, legal services, engineering, auditing, and many other knowledge-based industries, AI systems are already handling tasks that previously took professionals hours or even days to complete. Today, AI can draft reports, summarize legislation, review documents, generate policies, create presentations, write code, compare contracts, produce meeting summaries, and even review the work of other AI systems. But despite all of this progress, something important is becoming clearer. Professionals are increasingly being paid not simply for holding information, but for judgment, accountability, decision-making, and risk assessment. AI is becoming less like a replacement employee and more like a highly capable coworker. Many organizations are already using layered AI workflows. For example, one AI drafts content, another AI critiques or validates it, then a human reviews and approves the final output. A compliance consultant may use OpenAI Chat GPT to draft procedures, then use Anthropic Claude to review clarity and consistency, while a human expert checks legal accuracy, practicality, and business risk before anything is formally issued. Similarly, developers may use OpenAI Codex to generate automation code, while another system tests the logic before a human validates the final implementation. This type of workflow can dramatically improve productivity. Tasks that previously took several hours may now take minutes. But there is still a major difference between generating information and taking responsibility for decisions. AI systems still struggle in several important areas. They can confidently produce incorrect information, sometimes called hallucinations. They often lack practical context around workplace culture, human behavior, political sensitivity, operational realities, commercial pressures, and ethical trade-offs. For example, a procedure may appear technically compliant on paper, but be completely unrealistic during construction work, maintenance activities, emergency situations, or real operational pressures. Experienced professionals often balance legal compliance, practicality, proportionality, cost, safety, and stakeholder expectations all at the same time. AI also struggles when information is incomplete, contradictory, or uncertain. And perhaps most importantly, AI does not currently carry meaningful professional accountability. A consultant, solicitor, engineer, auditor, or director may still be personally responsible for approvals, legal consequences, financial impacts, reputational damage, and risk-based decisions. That responsibility cannot simply be outsourced to software. This is why the future may not be, quote, AI replacing professionals, unquote. Instead, it may be professionals using AI effectively outperforming those who ignore it completely. The most effective people may become those who understand the technology, know its limitations, recognize when outputs are unreliable, and apply professional judgment responsibly. Ironically, even this video was likely planned using multiple AI coworker systems. But the key decisions, positioning, and professional judgment still required human oversight. AI may reduce the value of simply holding information, but it may significantly increase the value of professionals who know how to apply judgment, ethics, accountability, and real-world experience responsibly. Because in many industries, the real challenge is not generating answers, it is knowing which answers can actually be trusted. If you found this useful, like the video. Comment with how AI is affecting your profession. Subscribe for more practical business, compliance, and technology discussions. And share this with someone exploring AI in professional work. Stay safe, stay steady, stay ready.